that, and why is there no raffle at all?
I already answered that. I said there's office order granting me the authority.
In other words, there was no raffle.
I cannot say that.
Well, either there was a raffle or there was none.
I cannot say that.
You don't know whether there was a raffle? You don't know whether there was a raffle?
I don't know who raffled the case. That's it.
Well, I don't care who raffled the case. My question is, was this case raffled or was it directly given to you by the city prosecutor?
This is the office order.
So in other words, it was that you were handpicked by the city prosecutor to handle this case. That's what you're saying. Well, anyway, that's what you're saying because there was no raffle in this case.
Let's stop. Alright? Is there any other manifestation? Your manifestation counsel is noted. You will look at.
Prosecutor Samson,
Maybe request for a copy of that administrative order.
Yes, we'll provide you a copy of this office order. Alright? Is there any other manifestation?
Prosecutor Samson, may we be allowed to make a manifestation regarding NPS docket number 03290. We want to make it a record that complainants Reyes, yes, 3298. Complainants Reyes, Grate, Bretanya, and Dato filed the complaint against Mr. Revillame only and not the other respondents.
You only have some complaints.
Yes.
Response, I guess,
So,
to our query as to
yes, in relation to the earlier question. Yes.
I know. Anyway, we will be providing you copies.
Mr. Prosecutor, may I have a clarification? I understand these complaints are being investigated jointly.
Yes.
I represent the complainants only in one of the complaints. As a matter of procedure, will we be given access to the counter affidavits filed with respect to the other two complaints?
You will only be given a copy of the counter affidavit for the complaint in which you are responding.
Thank you.
Mr. Prosecutor, may I make it a record that when the earlier complaint, long before this complaint was filed, in this case it's not before you, when the family of John Suan filed their complaints against different respondents, the cases were ruffled. It strikes us why this case was not ruffled, why the prosecutor was handpicked by the city prosecutor. This is a strange, disturbing departure from established procedure that we have observed all through the years. And we would like to make that a record, and we reserve our right. We reserve our right to file the necessary motions. I think, with all the respect to the prosecutor, this case is going to be railroaded by the prosecutor in this case. And we would like to make that a record. The undue haste with which this case was assigned to you without raffle is most disturbing.
Well, that doesn't mean
Mr. Prosecutor, may I just ask if counsel is asking anything from this office, or if he's just
we reserve the right to file
because if he's just making manifestation, it's just taking all of our time, Your Honor.
Yes.
We want to have a copy of the administrative order. Once we have a copy of the administrative order, then we will take the necessary actions we have to take.
motions for your run in this kind of proceeding. We already take 5 years time.
Yes,
Now,
fine.
I have several questions to the complainants.